Hi everyone, Kamal here, and I welcome you all to the second hands-on video of Windows 10 mobiles. Latest preview build, the build 10080. In this video, we will cover two important apps that have seen major redesign. One of them is Music Preview, which wears a totally different look, new look. So again, it has a hamburger button on the top left, which houses all the menus. So in a way it's easy to navigate from anywhere to anywhere. If you are like in recent plays, if you want to go to the now playing, it's easy to go to this menu and just navigate. Many may not like it, but it's actually okay. So let's have a look at the UI. So if you tap on this hamburger button, you see recent plays, now playing, albums, artist, song, playlists, and then send feedback. Then if you have signed in, so you will see your account details. Then you can also go and shop for the songs, etc. So coming to one very nice feature that I could see is like this OneDrive integration, which is now present in the OneDrive app on Windows Phone 8.1. But here it has worked very well, and all the songs that you see here in this list are like in my OneDrive, and they synced easily. So here you can see what are the options. So like you can filter or sort by. So these are the options available offline, streaming. So if I choose available offline, it says nothing to show here. But if I choose streaming, so you see here all the songs which I can stream actually. This is how you can actually sort them, or you can actually go to any song quickly. Okay, so since I think these are the songs which I can stream, it's not able to select. Otherwise you can choose this, use this multiple selection. But you can actually create a playlist from the songs even if they are here due to the OneDrive sync. So you can see that I have created a playlist here. So it's easy to create a playlist. You go to playlist, you can name the playlist and save it, and then if you go back, you can just long press on any of the song, and then you can add to the playlist which I have already created. This is how it works. Okay, now if you try to play any of the songs, so again, as I said, it's easy to go back by tapping on the hamburger menu from now playing to anywhere. And here you have various options. So like one of the options is allows you to save as playlist. Then you have shuffle, repeat, play, pause, etc. It works in landscape mode as well. If you see even if I think it's this music preview has been introduced for the first time on phones. It was available on Windows 10 desktop, but still it works smoothly. I have not seen any major crashes, etc. You can see I am playing with it, and still it's working like charm. So there are no issues or big issues as such on using this application. And in spite of this hamburger button, which many would not like here, still it works really good. Really well. There is no issues as such. The whole UI looks good. Again, the UI thing may be debatable, but what I wanted to say is that I think for me, the navigation has really looked easy, and the app is smooth. If you compare to the music app that we have on Windows Phone 8.1, which has faced many criticisms, it really looks good, much better. Okay, now coming to the second application, which had also seen a major redesign, the video preview. So video preview also now has got the similar kind of hamburger menu. So videos, movies, TV, again if you, it does not have so many options as you can see in the songs preview or music preview, but still the videos, the movies, TV, etc. So it lists all the video that are there on your phone actually. If you go to here, so okay, these are the more options if you want to check them. One good thing, as we know about this new video app, is that it can play .mkv files. So this is one of the mkv file that I have here, and I don't see any issue in actually playing this. You can check the options of like zooming in, then full screen by just tapping it. Okay, I think I need to show it once more. So here are the options of the video player: play, pause, then full screen with one tap, then you have the zoom option. So this is how this video preview app looks like. On top of it you have this search button as well, so it is easy to search if you have lots of videos in the list. So here in the movies section, if you have purchased any movies, it will be shown. In my case there are no movies, so you don't see them. Okay, so this was all about the music preview and video preview apps which have gone through a major redesign. So apart from them, you can see the Word preview, Excel preview, and PowerPoint. These are also these apps like Office preview apps are now available with Build 10080. So I will cover this in the next video hands-on. For now, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more coverage.